Hi all America, this is Grandma Mary Sunshine, and I like to talk about some serious business in America. Well, I don't think that the presidents are doing enough for the education of our children to stop all this crime in America you hear about. People taking guns and killing other people, and it is just a shame. And I don't think the presidents are going after these banks that are foreclosing on all these homeowners and all these modification programs and all that money that Wells Fargo Bank is just stealing out of people's accounts and paying off credit cards with taking the equity out of people's money in their bank account without their authorization. And of course these people don't have money to fight, and Wells Fargo Bank uses collection tactics that are against the law, and they get away with everything. I don't believe that people in America are taking their civil rights. They are constantly being violated their civil rights. And I'm Grandma, and Mary Sunshine, and I don't think it's right. I think people should take a stance from these banks that are just getting away with it, all these crimes against citizens. I don't believe it, and I am totally disgusted. I believe it's the American politics that are involved here. Well, us tax-paying citizens, we're hard-working, and we are trying the best we can to survive. And these banks are charging interest that they used to charge 10 years ago. You think the president is doing anything? Well, President Obama, I am totally disgusted. I don't see anything you're doing for our children's education, and I don't think that you're doing enough for the banks. No one is going after these banks. Where I write letters to all these governors and attorney generals of the state of California, and I get absolutely nowhere. And there's this organization called the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and they do absolutely nothing. Well, they write to the bank, and what do you think the bank does? They send a response, and that's supposed to close the account. I am so disgusted how things work in America. I mean, look at our children watching these television and video games, getting access to these guns, and they are not being taught to be happy with what they have in this world. And my friends, sugar, that's no way to educate our children. Well, they don't even know that they are worth such a valuable and precious human, and they don't know the value of life. Well, their parents don't teach them that they should be happy with what they have. And I don't think it's right. The presidents aren't doing anything. Well, I want you to write to me, Grandma Mary Sunshine, where I work in Beverly Hills, called Rodeo Fine Jewelry, at 9608 Brighton Way, Beverly Hills, California, 90210. Once again, it's Rodeo Fine Jewelry, 9608 Brighton Way, in Beverly Hills, California. Well, those people, the owner Martin and his sales director Patia, well, they are people that are so unusual. Well, they want this world to change. And they are not like those other jewelry stores. They only charge 10% when they sell your jewelry. They have a special second-hand dealer's license to sell for the public. And I'm telling you, those kind of people are the most special people on the face of the earth. Well, I don't see anyone taking a step to do something for changing the education in America. We have to teach our children ethics, some Bible. Now, I don't really believe in the organized religion, but I am a very religious lady. Well, I believe that we have to teach our children that they have to learn that they are special, that human life is so valuable, that every single thing that they have in this world is precious. If we did that, they would respect their parents more. They would respect their teachers more. They wouldn't go out and take guns and kill other people. But if we as a society will together, maybe internationally, well, let's talk to the Queen of England or some great people that could help us. I believe that in England they have more respect for the monarchy, and the Queen of England is a very elegant lady. Well, I believe that in America we have no respect that like they do. Well, we have comedians like Joan Rivers and other people that just attack other people and start calling them no good, and like the Glee she called no good, and people are trying to make a difference in this world. But you have people that are negative. Only negative things come out of their mouth, where they talk bad about everyone. And that's not the way, honey. You have to be positive if you want positive things to happen to you. God in heaven created every human being. You think he likes it when other human beings make fun of other people, take guns and kill other people? Well, words can kill too. And sugar, you're not supposed to badmouth people. It says in the Bible, thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. And I maybe don't go to church much, but I believe that we have to take into our own self God. He created us, and we have to learn how precious life is, that we're alive, that people have cancer, people have all kinds of diseases, and we could walk and talk and do things and breathe. You know, people don't realize how to be appreciative in life. And I think that's a very bad thing in America. I'd like to have a television show called Grandma Mary Sunshine Show. And we're going to teach people, honey, how to respect each other, how to value life, and every precious moment is a blessing. So, sugar, if you really want this television show to happen, and we want to teach our youth that they are special, that they have self-worth, that is the most important thing, my friends. Thank you so much for listening to Grandma Mary Sunshine. But I want you to make a difference in this world. Please write to me. Tell that producer, let's make that show already. Come to our store on off Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. There's 2 hours free parking behind David Yurman. Where you see the big letter P, you could park 2-hour free parking in Beverly Hills. Come visit me at 9608 Brighton Way in Beverly Hills, California, 90210. Sugar, I want to make a difference in this world. And we have to all stick together and make a campaign for justice, for the disabled people, for everyone, and help our children gain the self-confidence and self-awareness and make them feel life is precious. One step at a time, sugar, but we're going to make peace in this world. Thank you for listening to Grandma Mary Sunshine. May you be blessed with sunshine in your lives always.